We're given the graph of f of x is equal to the square root of 2 over x plus 3x cubed. So this is increasing from 1 to infinity. And we want to find the derivative of f inverse of 5. So this is going to equal 1 over f prime of f inverse of 5, because in general the derivative of an inverse function is 1 over the derivative of inverse. So for f inverse of 5, this is when y equals 5, what is x? So that's how you should treat this problem. So when y equals 5, that's going to be over here. We see the x value is 2. So f of 2 is equal to 5, which means f inverse of 5 is equal to 2. So this whole thing inside is 2. So one we need to find now is 1 over f prime of 2. Well, in order to find f prime of 2, you need to take the derivative. The graph is a curve. It's not a line, so you can't just look at the slope. So we're going to take the derivative of 2x to the negative first power plus 3x cubed, all raised to the 1/2 power. So I rewrote it just to make it easier for us, and then use a chain rule, which means bring down the exponent, keep the inside the same, subtract 1 in the exponent, and then take the derivative of the inside. And now we need to plug in x equals 2. So we have 2 times 2 to the negative 1 power plus 3 times 2 cubed. And then okay, let's see. 2 times 2 to the negative 1, that's just going to cancel. You're going to get 1 left. 2 cubed is 8 times 3 is 24. So this is 1/2. 1 plus 24 is 25, raised to negative 1/2 power. And then negative 2 times 2 to the negative 2, that's just going to be negative 2 to the negative 1. 2 squared is 4 times 9 is 36. And so this is basically 36 minus 1/2, which is 35.5. Now we're going to rewrite this. So it's 1/2, and then 25 to the negative 1/2 is 1 over the square root of 25, which is 1/5. And then I'm just going to rewrite 35.5 as 35 and 1/2, which is just 71 over 2. So when I multiply this, 2 times 5 times 2 is 20. And then we have 71 at the top. So that's going to be f prime of 2, keep in mind. So if I go back here at the top, 1 over f prime of 2 would just be 1 over 71 over 20. So it's like the reciprocal of 71 over 20, which is 20 over 71. And this is my answer.